have it. Now, this is an oral medication. This is an oral complement, and you can get this.
And that's Prevestra?
Right. Now, most of the content of this is multivitamins. Again, gets to the point of getting the zinc, the vitamin C, the B complexes, and it has other things like black cohosh, which is, again, stimulates the estrogen and all the effects that a female hormone has. Also, of course, this product, Vigorelle, which is another over-the-counter product that you can get, again, to enhance that sexual libido. But, for the most part, if you stick to reducing stress, exercising, finding the right chemistry in your love life, you may not need any of these products.
So it really sounds like coming down to being a healthy you leads to a healthy love life.
Right, and that's important, look. That's important in families. Having a good intimate relationship is very, very important.
So really, to have a healthy love life, it all comes down to being healthy. Make sure you have enough energy to make the effort to be romantic. Get enough sleep, eat right, and live a healthy lifestyle. So until next time, I'm Edie Hill with Dr. Manny for the American Family.